Back to Sunny Live Train. Thank you so much guys for tuning in. Well guys, I'm back again with the Mzansi Soapie Stories and namhlanje sikhuluma ke ngenimba guys. Sikhuluma ke ngenimba. Abantwana behlezi bebuza ukuthi what does inimba means? Inimba is the mother's love. Uthando noma ifeeling umama abanayo ke ngomntanakhe. Njengoba nazi ukuthi i-story it's about that. It's actually about that. Uzoleka kanye ke noqhabo. Well guys, ngiyakhumbula last week ukuthi ke indaba ke ziphumile ke and uqhawe uzwile ukuthi yena uyindodakazi kaZoleka akasiyindodakazi ke kaThumeka and uqhawe wathatha imtholo wakhe wahamba uyapi ke manje uqhawe uyahamba uya kuyi-boyfriend yakhe engumawethu umawethu olala noma wakhe. Hayibo guys, yazini kuvuleka lokhu so ivili kaQhawe guys lizobe linzima kakhulu ke next week njengoba ke caught in the middle of this truth abhekene ke nawo this revelation ye impilo yakhe ke guys bathi ke bazozama ke uzoleka uhlathi noThumeka ukuthi ke bamthole ke uQhawe together and ke bese ke kuvela ke ezinye ke imfihlo bakithi uQhawe ke naye uzokwenza ke isinqumo ke esikhulu relationship yakhe nomawethu. Ngizokhumbula guys ukuthi ke uQhawe bekade ethe ulinda umshado akazolala nomawethu but base ngazi ukuthi in this situation yomgo yakhe angasagcine kwenzile ke lokho not knowing ukuthi the same mawethu uyena ke lo Ben10 kama wakhe ke but ke guys bathi ke ulwandle ke naye njengoba nazi ukuthi ulwandle wasiza ubaba wakhe ukuthi ke basupportage ke uzoleka so izinto azimhambeni neze kahle ulwandle bakithi azimhambeni neze kahle ulwandle. He is exposed actually and may exposed kanjalo ubaba wakhe ufuna ukuthi ke ulwandle atake a fall of which akusiyena phela ulwandle ekade eqhamuke nayo yonke into ubaba wakhe introducer to this guy ukuthi ke abasupportage ke the company abayisebenzelayo so ulwandle ubhena lo situation bakithi ukuthi he must lie down and take the fall for his father's doing but ke uthi angeke akwenze lokho and if akakwenzi kusho ukuthi baba kuzophelwa umsebenzi ke so baba kubona kungcono kube uyena ke ophelelwa umsebenzi. Ay kunzima kakhulu guys kuleli viki bakithi kunzima ngempela ngapha uThumeka uyacontinue ukulwela ingane yakhe angazi but I think uQhawe must just love her both parents. Angazi nami kanjani ngoba phela uThumeka kusho ukuthi ubemthanda kakhulu uQhawe futhi umkhulise kahle zange zamhlukumeze that's why engazanga eza ukuthi umama mina kangithandi yabo. So guys kuzoba nzima kakhulu kuQhawe uzoleka uThumeka ulwandle kuleli viki nge eseliqalayo. That brings us to the end of this video. Do leave your comment below and share your opinion. Bye. Welcome back to Sunny Live Train. Thank you so much guys for tuning in. Well guys, I'm back again with the